Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me. I have been off for a couple of weeks. I've had a lovely couple of weeks off in August. I did take some time out at the end of July to go on a family holiday, but I just needed a bit of time to rest and recuperate over the summer, and I enjoyed some time with my boys over the summer holidays. They actually don't go back to school until the 6th of September. But anyway, I did, while I had some time off, and I read lots of books, because I'm a big reader, I did place an order for my pre-order of goodies from this catalogue that goes live on Wednesday the 4th of September. I can't show you the inside of the catalogue, but this is the catalogue, the mini catalogue, and yes, that is a stamp set with a matching punch. Anyway, so I'm just popping that on. Oops, on the table behind me. I thought I would show you my 2 boxes of stuff that I got. Right, I have a $1 million stamp set. My microphone's just gone wafting in my face. I love this. I love coffee. I can't bring myself to want to try pumpkin spice. Just the thought of it doesn't, yeah. But I love all sorts of hot chocolates, you know, definitely peppermint, donut chocolate, not sure. And I actually genuinely don't know what eggnog is, so if anybody wants to tell me, brilliant. There are going to be dies that match stuff, but I'll come to them shortly. So we have stamp set and punch bundle number 1, and I love this. So that's the stamp set and that is the punch, and I just think that is so much fun. It really is. I have a big old list of projects that I want to make, and using that is definitely on there. This is Humble Home, and that's on the front cover of the catalogue. And you can make your own houses, you can make lines of houses, you could, oh, just all sorts. Okay, there's more dies that presumably go with something. Well, they must do. Okay, Regal Floral, or Regal Flora. This is beautiful in the catalogue. I'm going to come to the paper in a minute. It is rich, dark, beautiful colours, just stunning, very wintry and autumnal, but not festive. It will make sense when I get there, but I love it. I really love this style. I didn't think I would until I started using the translucent floral stamp set, which is a favourite of mine. Love that. How cute is that? I like cute Christmas. I like cute animals. I have got a couple of realistic looking animal stamp sets, but I struggle with them. So this one, it's more cartoony. They're not looking real. I mean, you know, the moose. I don't know a moose that's got a smile on his face or with ice skates on. So I like the cartoony animals. I can work with them better. I can give them, you know, weird colours. That's definitely me. Look at that. This one does have dies, I know that for sure, and I'm pretty sure this one and this one do, but don't quote me on it just yet. But you know, reindeers at Christmas time. Right, oh, there's more dies, and then from the other box I have got, oops, let me drop them all on the floor. Enjoying the little things. Now this one goes with our circle punches. Yuletide Village, I love that. I did the Winter Village. I don't know if I did the Winter Village last year or the year before, but I love a wintry scene, and I love mini houses. I have rather a large collection of mini houses around my house. Anyway, Love and Strength, not festive, just lovely. Very pretty. Don't know what the flower is. It's pretty. I'm horticulturally challenged. Caring Leaves, just very sweet. Make nice, simple little cards, maybe 3x3 cards, something like that. Perfect. And then Embraced with Love. Oh, I just love that. Kangaroos. Are they foxes or are they... Maybe they are red pandas. I don't know. And then the bear and a bunny. So cute. Love it. Right, those are the stamp sets. And like I say, where relevant, there are matching dies. These are our book treat boxes, so I don't want to split them open because I haven't got anywhere to put these at the moment, but they are boxes that open up and it's like a book, like an old-fashioned book where the spine is bigger than the pages inside. That's the principle, and it's a box. Brilliant. I've got 2 ribbons. this luscious blackberry bliss and gold, and this is part of the Regal Flora, and then this cherry cobbler, my favourite colour, and red. Lovely, love them, just perfect. I've got not lots of embellishment, but I have some. Oh, I've got some more ribbon as well. Which one's this one from? Natural Tones linen thread. Just, yeah, perfect. And then I've got 3 sets of embellishments. So this one is Regal foiled, so that's from the Regal Flora collection, and they've got little specks in them. And then druzy. So druzy is a term for a type of glittering within something. So they're not, well, they are faceted actually. They've got a texture to them, and they're very crystallised. I think you can probably see up here better. I don't think I can get any closer. No, my camera's not going to let me. Let me zoom back out again a bit. There we go. But yeah, they're quite different to any other glitters that we've had. And then of course the peppermint wheels. Are they called that? Yeah, black, red and white. Real red and white adhesive pack peppermints. We don't get peppermints like this in the UK particularly. I like them very much though. Right. I have also got, because I'm a little bit addicted to these, the Mix and Match ephemera packs, and there are 2 of them. There's Joyful Images and Tags for the Season. So this very much makes lots of gift tags. I mean, talk about making it simple for yourselves. Tags, dead easy, super easy. You just really need to attach some ribbon. And then this one, just simply attach to, you know, pop it onto a card. I'm not going to pop these ones open. Again, I haven't got anything to put them in just yet, but it's the same principle as these. They're pre-die cut shapes. They're not stickers. Okay, I haven't got my storage out for all of these bits. Right, let's do some paper. So, and I'm going to get this off my desk to give myself some room. I am very much a paper girl. I always have been, probably always will be. I didn't necessarily buy all of the sweets. Sometimes I just bought the paper and the ribbon. So this one is Take a Bow, and it goes with a die set to make bows. I don't want to do that, I like the paper. So just simple, just plain, perfect background papers. Let me flip it over. That's what I've got it for, just for background stuff where the paper isn't the main event, but I didn't want to make bows with it. I just wanted the paper. This one, again, I think I just got this. I didn't buy the stamps. This is called Nests of Winter. Why did I not buy the stamps? Maybe they weren't in. But lovely. Very wintry. I love that. It's very European, these birds, or it feels like it. These are quite European. I don't know, I might be wrong about that too. Of course we have the robin. I don't know what that bird is, but he looks fun. Just fabulous. Love that. Love it a lot. Okay, let's scooch that over here. This one, it was all about the nostalgia. This is called Sentimental Christmas. Again, I just got the paper. I don't know what I'm recognising these deer from. Is it the Baby Sham deer? I don't know, but it's just retro. Maybe there were figurines, I don't know, but I just couldn't resist the nostalgic nature of this paper. I just, you know, I wish I could make a Christmas tree that looked like that. We do have somewhere, so if I could get this close enough, you see those candles on the branches. That was a very Victorian thing. But my nana, so my mum's mum, had the clips that you would put a candle in and then you would attach it to the branches exactly like that. And we still have them somewhere. They are in my house. I saw them a couple of years ago in a box of stuff that my mum gave to me. We've never put, you know, an actual flame on a Christmas tree, but obviously at some point in time my nana did, and yes, we still have a few of them, and they look like a big You know when you have a birthday candle and it goes in a little holder, that you put the little holder in the cake and then the candle in the holder. It's like a big version of that, but with a clip on it. So it clips onto the tree and then obviously you have the candle above it. But yeah, I have those knocking around somewhere. This one, Season of Elegance Speciality Paper. Again, I think I just went for the paper on this. So it's matte on one side and then it's got the glossy top and different patterns. So there's the 3 colours in here. I'm going to say that's Basic Beige, don't know, Old Olive Mossy Meadow and Cherry Cobbler with the matte on the back, but then different patterns as well. Oh look, there's a blue. Is that Pretty Peacock? Yeah. Love it. Just great background stuff. Perfect for big bags and boxes. Right, this one is called A Little Bit Festive Speciality Designer Series paper. Oh, I got 2 packs of that. Did not know that. Okay, so here we go. This one is where you've got 3 sheets of paper. I don't know where the third one is. There it is. And then you have got the die cut blanks and sheets and stuff. And you know, I love a good truck with a Christmas tree in the back. I've got quite a few of those that come out at Christmas time. So then all the die cut shapes as well. And they are the same principle as, I don't know where my box of stuff has gone. Oh, it's over on the shelf. The same principle as something we've got in the annual catalogue. Okay, I just love it. I love it if crafting and card making can be made simple. And you've got the base card, you've got card blanks, and then you've got the bits just to pop out on top of it. Sorrel is shouting. A sorrel? Okay, this one is Reindeer Days. I have got the stamps to go with this. Can you hear her? Launch that onto the floor. So just fun. Maybe that's the Baby Sham. I don't know. Baby Sham is not as good as I remembered it. I got some last year. It's a Perry. It's a is it a pear? Yeah, Perry. It's a pear champagne. Yeah, and not as good as I remembered it being. There might even still be some from last year floating about. But I just, you know, can't resist a reindeer. And those who followed me for a long time know that I have 3 enormous illuminated reindeer in my garden at Christmas time. They go up in November. Oh, only a couple of months to wait. And yeah, the big one is 7.5 foot tall. And they are wire. So not sort of, you know, but yeah, I love reindeer at Christmas time. I just love reindeer. Oh, has anybody seen on TikTok? I think she's called Snow White or something like that. And this lady in the States somewhere, she lives in a house that just opens up into the woods, and she slides open her door and all these deer come running and she feeds them. She's given them all names. They're wild, but yeah, she's given them names. I want to be her. I want to be her. Right, oh, I've forgotten the name of this one. This is Snowy Scenes. Pretty sure I've got the stuff to go with it. Yes, because it's the, what are they called? Penguins. So, Patty Bennett is going to love this set. She loves a penguin. Just fun. I'm assuming there are dies to go with this. I'm pretty sure there would be. In amongst this lot here on my right. Sorrel! I think she's got a toy and she wants to tell everybody she's got it. I have cat safe springs for the cats, and so they're coated, and she gets them in her mouth and she runs around telling everybody she's got them. Okay, just fun. What a lovely, fun, bright, cheerful set. Okay, and then we've got another speciality one here. This is Regal Distressed Pattern. So this one goes with that, which you can just see there. And it's a speciality again. So plain on one side. So we've got white, cherry cobbler, and that looks to be Pretty Peacock. Beautiful. Just lovely. And then finally, my last paper pack, whoopsie, don't want to lose that, is the Regal Winter. So this is wintry, cosy, rich, opulent, but without being overly Christmas. Just look at that. Oh, I'd love bed linen in that. That's stunning. That's really rather nice too. Those sort of gold hues with black in the centre. Rich and vibrant and deep colours. That's beautiful as well. Is that the same as that? That is the same as that. Are you bringing me that toy? She's shouting her head off. Oh, I love that too. I'd have bed linen like that as well. That's beautiful. That's almost, I don't know if you can see it there, it's almost a rainbow hue going over to it. I love it. Purples on the reverse. I'd definitely have that as bed linen as well. My husband would just have to go along with it. I'd have that too. I'd have trousers in that. Flared trousers. That is rich and dark and I love it. How beautiful is that? So, that is my collection of stuff that I have bought. Christmas is absolutely my favourite time of year. If you ask me what my favourite season is, I'm going to say winter, specifically Christmas. I love it. I love all of the everything. I love getting together. I love the decorations. I love the feelings, the movies, the gathering, all of it. I love all of it. And I can't wait to share with you all the stuff that's inside my head for all of this. So anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. This goes live Wednesday the 4th. Can't wait to see what you're ordering. Anyway, take care everybody. Bye.